Did you know there is an ancient secret that has been kept for centuries and could completely change your financial life? Imagine unlocking an abundance of wealth using a ritual so powerful that few dare to mention it. But today, I'm going to reveal every detail of it to you, step by step. This ritual has the ability to transform your economic reality in ways you have never experienced before. If you feel trapped in debt, frustrated by failed attempts to attract prosperity, this video is for you. Stay until the end, because what I'm about to share might be exactly what you've been waiting for to give a positive turn to your financial situation. The ritual I'm going to teach you is performed exclusively in October by Buddhist monks. It holds an inexplicable power as it connects with universal energies that reach their highest peak during this month. It's simple but highly effective, and best of all, you can do it from the comfort of your home without needing expensive tools or advanced knowledge. However, it's crucial to perform it now, because if you miss this opportunity, you might lose a unique, energetic connection to attract prosperity. Think for a moment. What would you do if you had the key to open the doors to wealth? Imagine having the ability to manifest everything you've ever wanted, from financial stability to unlimited opportunities for economic growth. Just one step would bring you closer to all of this. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Comment below, "I am ready to unlock my prosperity," as a declaration of your commitment to this new phase of abundance. By doing so, you'll be sending a signal to the universe, showing your willingness to receive what life has in store for you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and activate notifications to keep receiving more powerful secrets that could transform your financial life forever. October is not just any month in the calendar. According to ancient spiritual traditions, including Buddhist philosophy, it is the period of greatest energetic transformation in the year. But why is October so special? According to these ancestral teachings, during this month, a unique alignment of energies occurs around us, creating a window of opportunity for profound and lasting changes. The energy in October is more intense, purer, and more conducive to manifesting desires of prosperity. This means that if you seize this moment properly, you could experience a significant change in your financial life. Imagine a powerful energy surrounding you, opening paths that have been closed for a long time. This is the kind of force that October brings, and it's up to you to take advantage of this energy while it's available. Visualize for a moment how your life could change if you could channel this force in your favor. We are not talking about something abstract or illusory. This is a concrete moment, a window of opportunity to release all the obstacles that have hindered your growth. Spiritual traditions teach that missing this opportunity is like passing up the only key that can open the doors to the prosperity you long for. Therefore, don't underestimate the importance of this ritual or the power you can unleash by doing it. You might be wondering, does this ritual really work? How can it be so powerful if it seems so simple? The answer lies in its simplicity. The elements we will use in this ritual are natural and common, but they hold deep symbolism and ancestral energy that awakens in October. For example, ingredients like bay leaves, a white candle, and salt water have an energetic connection that intensifies during this period. Imagine this. With elements you likely already have at home, you will be able to activate an ancestral energy that will attract prosperity almost immediately. No need for exorbitant spending or complicated rituals. What's essential is the intention with which the ritual is performed. It combines natural elements that, when used in October, connect with the energetic forces that are at their peak during this month. Many of these ingredients you use daily, but few know their secrets of prosperity. It's no coincidence that this ritual has been kept by Buddhist monks for centuries. They knew that true abundance lies in simple things. However, the true magic lies in how these elements interact, releasing blocked energies and opening doors that have been closed for years, even decades. Imagine for a moment what it would be like to take control of your financial life starting today. Think about how it would feel to see your debts and worries start to fade away, replaced by a sense of relief. This ritual not only involves the manipulation of physical elements, but it also activates a deep process of energetic transformation. It is an experience that few people can imagine, but it is within your reach if you follow each step precisely and with the right intention. You are preparing for something that will change not only your perspective on prosperity, but also your relationship with the universe. You may be wondering, why perform the ritual in the bathroom? This is one of the most fascinating aspects of the ritual. The bathroom is not just a space for physical hygiene. Spiritually, it is a place where we release impurities, not only from the body, but also from the mind and spirit. It is the perfect place to purify energies that have been blocking the flow of prosperity in your life. By performing the ritual in this environment, you enhance the elimination of negative energies, allowing for a complete and deep cleansing. The bathroom, in this context, represents more than just a physical space. It is a sanctuary of total purification, a space where not only physical impurities are removed, but also energetic burdens that have been obstructing your financial growth. Just as you rid your body of what no longer serves you, you can also rid your financial life of what no longer serves it. Visualize for a moment how. By performing this ritual in the bathroom, it's as if you're washing away your debts, fears, and limitations, transforming this space into a portal to a new phase of prosperity. Now that you understand the symbolism behind the location of the ritual, it's time to focus on each of the elements that comprise it. The first element is the bay leaf. Since ancient times, bay leaves have been considered a symbol of victory and success. Kings, emperors, and conquerors of battles wore laurel crowns as a sign of absolute triumph and overcoming challenges. Applied to your financial life, each bay leaf in the ritual symbolizes the barriers you are about to break. It is no coincidence that bay leaves are part of this ritual. They have the power to drive away negative energies, those same energies that have kept you trapped in situations of scarcity. You may not notice it, but these invisible forces are all around you, blocking your success. However, holding bay leaves in your hands is like holding the key that will open the door to the prosperity you desire. When you visualize your financial problems and transfer that negative energy to the leaves, it becomes a symbolic, almost magical gesture, illuminating the dark areas of your financial life and clearing the path to a new stage of abundance. The white candle symbolizes a new beginning, a life of prosperity starting right now. Finally, we have salt water, a powerful purifier used for centuries to eliminate stagnant energies and protect against negative forces. In many ancient civilizations, salt was considered more valuable than gold due to its ability to purify and protect. By combining water and salt during the ritual, you create an energetic cleansing current that carries away everything that no longer serves you, making room for the prosperity that is about to enter your life. Each of these elements carries with it a story of success, victory, and transformation. It's no coincidence that they have been used by Buddhist monks for centuries to attract abundance. Now, you too are about to connect with this ancient tradition and experience its transformative power. With each step you follow, you will feel closer to the financial success you have always sought. The key lies in the precise execution of the ritual, in the clear intention, and in faith in the process. Now that you know the essential elements of the ritual and their deep symbolism, it's time to focus on the execution of each step. It is crucial that you fully immerse yourself in the process and follow every detail as precisely as possible. Intention and attention to detail are key to releasing the blocked energies that have kept your prosperity limited until now. This ritual is much more than a series of mechanical actions. It is an experience of energetic transformation that requires your complete presence and focus. To begin, hold the bay leaves in your hands, close your eyes, and take a deep breath, feeling the texture of the leaves between your fingers. While holding the bay leaves, let your mind focus on all your financial concerns. Clearly visualize each of your debts, fears, and limitations. Feel the weight of these concerns in your mind and body. It's important to truly feel the burden of these energies, because this will allow you to transfer them more effectively to the bay leaves. Each leaf symbolizes a financial obstacle you are about to overcome, and by holding them, you are beginning to release the negative energies that have kept you stuck. Once you feel you have successfully transferred your concerns to the leaves, it's time to light the white candle. The flame is a symbol of the light you are bringing into your life, a light that dispels the darkness of worries and opens the path to new opportunities for prosperity. As you watch the flame, imagine this light illuminating your financial path, bringing clarity and abundance into your life. Feel the transformation happening inside you, as if the light of the candle represents a new beginning full of possibilities. Allow this feeling of clarity and openness to expand within you, eliminating any doubts or fears that may have been blocking your financial success. Next, take the salt water and slowly pour it over the bay leaves in your hands. As the water falls over the leaves, visualize how it is carrying away all the negative energies you have previously transferred. The water, combined with the salt, acts as a current of energetic cleansing, purifying your worries and obstacles, releasing them from your life. It's as if the water is washing away your debts and limitations, taking with it everything that impedes your path to abundance. While pouring the water, say aloud, "I release all the energies that block me and allow abundance to flow freely into my life." The next step is symbolically powerful. Throw the bay leaves into the toilet and flush. As you watch the leaves disappear, feel the relief of seeing all your financial difficulties go with them. This act represents the release of everything that has kept you trapped in a cycle of scarcity and financial struggles. As the leaves disappear, feel how your financial limitations and blocks disappear as well. Imagine that with each leaf that goes, new doors to prosperity open in your life. It's important that after performing this ritual, you take a moment to pause, close your eyes, and feel the lightness now filling your energetic space. Breathe deeply and perceive how the atmosphere around you has changed. Feel the energy become lighter and freer, as if you have cleared a heavy load that has been blocking your prosperity for a long time. Visualize in detail what your life will be like from now on, without financial worries, with opportunities arising, and money flowing constantly and harmoniously. Once you have completed all the steps of the ritual, it's time to strengthen your intention for prosperity even further. To do this, leave a comment on this video with the phrase, I am ready to prosper. Doing this will not only reinforce your commitment to the process, but also send a signal to the universe that you are open to receiving the abundance that is rightfully yours. When you declare something aloud or write it down, you give more power to that manifestation, making the change happen faster and more effectively. And now, let's talk about gratitude, a crucial component in attracting abundance. Though it may seem simple, gratitude is one of the most powerful forces for manifesting what you desire. By expressing genuine gratitude, you change your vibrational frequency, aligning it with abundance. This not only attracts more things to be grateful for, but it also creates a mental and emotional state conducive to prosperity. Think for a moment about how often you have focused on what you lack, on debts and difficulties. This focus on scarcity keeps you trapped in a negative cycle, pushing you further away from the abundance you desire. Gratitude, however, has the power to break this cycle. By being grateful for what you already have, even for the smallest things, you start to shift your energy from scarcity to abundance. And when you emit this vibration of gratitude, the universe responds by sending you more of what you are vibrating. Gratitude thus acts as a catalyst, enhancing the results of the ritual and ensuring that prosperity continues to flow in your life. To maintain this prosperity energy, I recommend starting a gratitude journal. Each night before bed, write down at least 3 things for which you are grateful. They can be small things, like a hot cup of coffee you enjoyed in the morning, or something bigger, like a new job opportunity. What's important is that you keep this habit of daily gratitude, because it will train your mind to focus on the positive. Over time, you'll see how this creates an upward spiral of abundance, opening more doors and attracting more opportunities into your life. Visualize how your life would be if you started to be grateful for every penny that comes in, for every opportunity that arises. Imagine a constant flow of prosperity, bills being paid with ease, and new opportunities arriving effortlessly. Gratitude is the key that opens the door to all of this. Therefore, when you finish the ritual, take a deep breath and give thanks. Feel the power of gratitude as a vibration that connects you with the universal flow of abundance. By doing so, you are not only releasing blocked energies, but also creating a continuous channel for prosperity to enter and remain in your life.